Hey, welcome to this lesson where you're going to learn about creating a 3D spherical panorama in Photoshop. So here we got a 2D image, and in order to create panorama, we have to go to the top menu option and go to the 3D and select spherical panorama and hit new panorama layer from selected layer. So here it has created a panorama for the selected layer, and you can use your mouse to scroll around to have a 360-degree view. So here you got to create a panorama. Here it looks like we are in the place. Okay, so you have a 2D image of a location, and you can create panorama to take different shots. Okay, it could be an composite image, the imaginary that you create, or it could be a realistic image. So here we got a photo of this market, light night lamp market, and when we rotate it around, say when we look at towards the ground, towards the walls, towards the ceiling, we can take different shots, and you can export these shots to use in a wide variety of projects. Say if you got a 2D image of a room, inside a room it could be shot, and when you rotate you can focus on a particular perspective, and this panorama is useful because you can perform edits on all the direction as well. You can also increase the size of the artboard, change the artboard size to be more in the landscape, more in the portrait, or different size. And you can apply the panorama using different photos as well. So here let's first export this image by going to File, Export, choose your format, and hit Export All option to export this photo. So you can provide a name here and just save it. You can use different formats like transparent, PNGs, JPEG, Photoshop file, or a different image file, bitmap, and other formats as well. So here we took a shot of this photo from one angle, and let's take a different angle. So here we take the shot from a ceiling and just export, repeat the same thing, just export a different photo. So we got a high resolution image of the market, and then we created a panorama, and now we are taking multiple shots of the ceiling, the wall, the floor, and different orientations, and we can export these things. So it could be useful in a wide variety of things. Say for if you are running an animation studios, or for a movie scene recreation, if you want to recreate a scene, a lot of film industries do this thing. They take a picture of some old relics, like if you are interested in shooting something, and then they convert to panorama, take different shots, and try to create a set around using these shots. So Photoshop is not just for the photographers and designers, it's used for a wide variety of domains, and it can embed it. So here we have created a panorama of this mountain landscape, and we can use it in a different variety of things. And here we are just moving around this photo using the left mouse click. You can also use this pointer, the arrow, three-dimensional arrows, to navigate through X, Y, and Z coordinates. You can use three options that are there next to it to move around, and mouse is perfect thing to move around in a panorama. So this is how you create a panorama very easily and very quickly in Photoshop, and how you can use the panorama to different variety of work, like scene recreation in film industry. You can use to for interior designs. A lot of domains could be used. So try creating your own panorama using 2D images that you like. Give it a trial, keep learning, and keep moving ahead.